If you want to get live wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, go to Settings, and if you scroll down a little bit, then you should be able to find Wallpaper and Style, and then here we can go to Change Wallpapers, and you might be able to find some of these graphical wallpapers which are slightly animated. So you will see a little animation here and there which you might want to get. They are actually interactive as well. So as you can see, if I tap on that ball, it bounces. So of course, if you like that, you can set it up. Besides that, you can use the weather option over here where we have Create with AI to have a little animation going on that is based on the time and weather. And if you are not really satisfied with these results, then you can also use third-party apps that allow you to get an animated wallpaper. So what we can do is we can go to the Play Store, for example, and then we can search for something like live wallpaper or animated wallpaper or video wallpaper. And there we go. As you can see, we have many different apps to choose from. But in my case, I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you how to get an animated wallpaper based on this app. But feel free to try any other app. You don't have to get specifically the same one that I did, but I just have to pick one of them, of course. So once the app is installed and ready to be used, then of course you want to open the app. There we go. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but you should be able to skip them. There we go. Now over here, I'm going to tap on Accept and Continue. Then we're going to tap on Accept here. We don't have to agree to receive notifications. There is a premium offer, which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. And now we can switch to video wallpapers. And here you can find a bunch of different wallpapers that, of course, you can try if you want to. We also have a couple of different categories. In fact, I'm going to go to, let's say, popular to try to find something that I might want to use. And once you find the wallpaper that you actually want to set, of course, we're going to tap on it. And if you like it, you can tap on this purple button over here to try to get it. And we have two options. You can either watch an ad, and after a short time, you should be able to set it up, or you can use credits. Now, we get 10 credits once you install the app. So pretty much the first wallpaper is completely for free. So in my case, I'm just going to use these credits. And then we're going to tap on Set Video Wallpaper. Now over here, tap on Set Wallpaper, and then you can choose to set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm going to choose for both. And there we go, we have our animated wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.